What is going on, family? Cribs here. Thank you for coming back and chilling out with your boy. You giving me your quality time and supporting this channel means so much. I appreciate it, so thank you. To anybody that is new here for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel, Beard Swag Barbecue. My name is Mike Cribbs. I'm known as Swag in the bearded community. I have an Instagram channel that, if you're not following me already, is _beardswag_barbecue. A lot of underscores, I know. But welcome. If you're into positivity, if you're into a place just to chill, have a good time, see some beard products, get my first impressions on them. Let me take you on a journey of smoking some meats on a pellet grill, doing some pulled pork, doing briskets, any ribs. There's a lot of things that we're going to do here on this channel. I would love for you, if you're into that and you want to become part of the Swag Nation, right down below, there is a subscribe button, a reminder bell for when I have new content coming out, a thumbs up, a share button. There's all kinds of things. If you would, go ahead and smash those buttons for me right now. It helps the algorithms. It gets me out there for other people to find if they're into this kind of a channel. So thank you. Welcome. Today we are doing an unboxing, which I've kind of already unboxed already because it was pretty big. Got everything sitting out here on the channel of a beard company that has never been on this channel before, that I have never tried before. I wanted to bring that to you. So I guess sit back, relax, enjoy the intro, and I will see you in just a second. What is going on, family? Cribs here. Welcome back. If you want to, I thought I would offer this up for you. Go ahead and in just a second, pause the video, get another source of internet so you can get on a channel and go ahead and stroll through this company for me on their website. Who we're going to be doing today is Mckissick Beard and Mustache. They're out of Oklahoma. First time to this channel, first time that I'm using these products. Mike and Janine, great people. I love the interaction and the conversations before I purchased these products. And they did something really cool for me, which I'm honored and I appreciate. They basically gave me a complimentary t-shirt with my order. And on the back is all their social media. No, you probably couldn't hear me there, but I'm going to use that. I'm going to, if I can keep this out of my queen's hands, out of Nikki's hands, and I can actually keep a t-shirt, I think I'll keep this one. But I got 3 oils and I got 3 butters for you in some scent profiles. What I got was their candy cane, and I don't know if these are on the website anymore. They may change up. I don't know. And I got their Mahogany and Leather and their classic cigar, and a t-shirt complimentary. Out of Norman, Oklahoma, in the United States, veteran owned, which is amazing, 100%. This channel is all about the United States of America, and we love our veterans, 100%. So it says, Michael, we hope this order makes your day. It definitely made ours. We sincerely appreciate your business. We included a t-shirt. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. Thank you for the gift to the channel. And didn't want to ask you your size and give away the surprise. If there are any issues with your products, please let us know. Mike and Janine, which amazing people from just having a conversation with them on social media when I had some questions. I wanted to ask them about it. Wanted to touch bases with them because that's what I like to do. Their butters all came in these Ziploc bags, heavy-duty Ziploc bags, wrapped in the bubble wrap, so they're sitting out. Their oils came wrapped in bubble wrap, okay, but also in a nice cardboard box, or cylinder, I guess you could say. Amazing. Let me just show you this. This is part of the ambiance of what I love about these companies. And there's their social media again. I'll let you freeze frame that if you want to. But look at the presentation. The presentation, you know, if they're spending this much quality time, and over the times of me doing product reviews before, there have been a few companies that you know absolutely just by their packaging that their products are going to be out of this frickin' world. They also sent me in a Ziploc bag 2 amazing thick decals of their company. Excuse me, I don't know why I'm so sniffy today. And then some picks, guitar picks, which you can use for your products so you don't have to get all greasy and grimy, I guess. You can see right here, I like to put one right there. This is my Jesus Picks You pick. Jesus Picks You pick. Jesus Picks You pick. Anyways, great so far. So with all of the presentation, I got classic cigar. And yes, this is a 2-ounce oil. 3 of them. I got 3. Labels are amazing. Ingredients on the back, which is, and this will be for all of them, rice bran oil, avocado oil, sunflower seed oil, sweet almond oil, kukui nut oil, rosehip seed oil, castor, which I love. That's one of the reasons I wanted to get this oil as well, because of that ingredient right there, and fragrance. Amazing combination of ingredients in here. And that's for all of their oils. That's cool. So it looks like if you go in here and I tapped into it, yeah, there they all are. You can get them all in there. That's cool. Website is amazing, easy to navigate through. Pure essential and fragrance blend. Related products. Oils for the 2-ounce, they're $19.99, just to throw that at you too. I want to cover everything so you guys have an impression of what you're going into and how much they are. If you're already on the website, hopefully you're putting an order in. I don't have a discount code for you, family. This is Mahogany and Leather. And then I got candy cane. Frosted, like I said. You've got a little window here you can see. Made in Oklahoma. Gives you the directions, cautions, all that good stuff. Mckissickbeard.com. Mckissick Beard on Instagram. Norman, Oklahoma. And then, like I said, I got the butters as well. Glass container, but we'll get into that in just a second. Let's start out with, why not? Let's see if this will open up my nostrils. Candy cane. Give you a little rundown. Very clean. Medium, maybe light to medium oil. Let's just get some of this out of here so you can see it. We'll go 2, 3. You know how we do it around here with the 3 drops. Drop it down so you can see it. Yeah, I would say a light to a medium. It's more on the lighter side. Let's get this, and I got the candy cane. You got to watch me. I'll be grabbing oils and butters and slopping everything together. Oh. Very loud. Very strong peppermint. Very strong candy. It's got some sweetness to it. Maybe some vanilla. Vanilla. It's got to have vanilla in it. I can smell some vanilla and peppermint. That's basically what it is. If you like peppermint and vanilla scent profiles, guys, this is more on the louder profile of the peppermints that I've had in the past, the candy canes. It's a loud scent profile. I love it, but it's not overbearing. Now that's going to mess up anything else that I'm going to want to... No, I got a back of a hand. I got 2. We're good. We're still smooth. Now tell me, you guys like peppermint? Do you like that kind of scent profile? Do you even like 2-ounce bottles? Because see, I don't really, as a reviewer, as an influencer, I have so many oils that I don't go through a 1-ounce oil, let alone a 2-ounce. But if you're you don't buy that many products and you're looking for a company and you like these kind of scent profiles, this might be a company for you that have some long-lasting products for you. And let's go, where's the Candy cane. Here, let me do this first. Let me take that out. Comes with the topper. Throw that out of there. Let's just get the whole ambiance going on here. Glass container, candy cane. Heavy. These are heavy. You don't want to drop these on your toes. With the label up on top of them. Nothing on bottom. Ingredients. Mango and kokum butter. Avocado oil, sweet almond oil, sunflower seed oil, rice bran oil, rosehip oil, palm and lanolin oil, castor oil, beeswax, and fragrance. So there is some beeswax in here. Well, it's a poured butter, and that looks great. That's going to be a good one. Let's get in there. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell that lanolin that's in there. Let's just see what it does. It's sitting here for a few seconds. Okay. Gone. Oh man. Amazing. Yeah, let's just get that off there. Should have probably brought a towel in here for me. That's okay. Next time. I'll forget, but next time. So that was candy cane. Love it. That's going to be a wonderful nighttime scent profile for me that I'm going to use at night. So where'd it go? Candy cane. Candy cane. Went over the ingredients. How much are the? Let me tell you how much these are. I don't remember. Let's go back. Let's go home. Let's get back on here. Mustache care. Easily navigated. Really. Beard butter. $14.99. And these are 4 ounce. Yep. 4 ounces for $14.99. Now, I don't know if you can bundle them up. I don't remember. But let's go. Let's do mahogany and leather next. I got peppermint all over the place in here, guys. Oh. Very business-like leather. Professional. Smooth. And then you got that mahogany, that wood scent profile. That old rustic furniture kind of a smell to it. That is nice. I'm going to warm that up. Let's use this back of this hand. Very professional, very clean, very manly. Oh, great leather scent profile. Very, what's the word I'm looking for? Authentic. Not a generic leather scent profile at all. This profile is amazing. I'm going to probably love wearing this to work. Oh, that's good. Man. Whew. I like that. So there's my description of it. Butter, you already knew. Let me see if it's the same. Take this thing out of it. As a profile goes. Yeah, same thing. It's got that soft, professional, authentic leather on the top, backed with the rustic, authentic mahogany kind of a scent profile to it. That's awesome. If you're into those kind of scent profiles, boom, that would definitely be one I would highly recommend. There's something it reminds me of, but I cannot. I don't know, like a brand new baseball glove maybe that we used to get Dude when he was growing up, when we were buying baseball gloves. You know that amazing leather smell, or a new pair of gloves smell to it. That's kind of the leather I'm talking about. The authentic, genuine, fresh, clean, brand new leather. It's great. Last but not least, classic cigar. Great bottle. Cool label. background, 2 florid ounces. That's probably Oklahoma in the background, I would have to say. I got their butter as well. So where am I going to put this? Let's put this one. Let's go out of bottle. Okay, another one that is authentic, fresh, that tobacco, that green tobacco in a cigar kind of a scent profile, really fresh. We're going to have to get some of this out of here. Let's go up here. 1, 2, 3. Use the back of the pinky. Wake it up a little bit. Oh, yeah. I love my tobaccos. I love my cigars. That is a sweet, fresh, green cigar. I can almost taste it due to the fact of, when you put a fresh cut cigar that you've just firmly, a good cigar, not a Swisher Sweet, not a junk, that you put in your mouth just before you light it up, and you get that taste and that sense of smell that goes with it. That's what this is. Oh, I love it. And there's a sweetness to it as well. Amazing. Take the topper off. Okay. I've noticed that the leather and the cigar are not as loud out of the bottle, which is going to be with a peppermint. That's a loud peppermint scent profile. But once, that leather. That cigar. That peppermint too, and that sweet vanilla-y peppermint, that creamy peppermint is what it smells like. 3 out of 3, guys. I highly recommend this company. I don't have an affiliate code. I don't even have a discount code for you guys. I just wanted to show you the journey of me seeing a product for the first time and you getting to be here while it happens. I think it's valuable. So it was Michael and Janine, correct? Mike and Janine are the owners. Yep, Mike and Janine. Reach out to them. Tell them. Ask them some questions. See if they got any discount codes for you, because I don't have any. I'm sure there's somebody out there. I haven't heard a lot of reviewers doing this company yet, but I'm telling you right now, don't sleep on these guys. If you're looking for authentic, rustic, original scent profiles that say exactly what they mean, classic cigar, amen. Mahogany and leather, yes. Candy cane, yes. That's what they are. Nailed it. So I'm going to probably wear these products. This was just my first impressions of it, and I love it. They nailed it out of the park. Presentation, wonderful. Feel and beard, I don't know yet of either one of them, but the profiles, I've already explained that to you. I'm going to use these products for a while, and then I'm probably going to shoot a review for you so you know how they feel in beard and how it is for my beard. But anyways, family, that's what I've got for you. You know what we do here. I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them and that you're proud of them. Go lift somebody up. Go give somebody forgiveness, even if they haven't even asked it. If they haven't asked, still forgive them. And if you need something, if something's been on your heart and something that has been bothering you that you've done, just go, be brave with no fear and ask for forgiveness. It's the easiest thing in the world. Be free. Be peaceful.